Hello everyone, welcome to a new video from Technoc Reviews. Today, I'm going to show you best remote control helicopters in 2025. Don't forget to activate the bell icon and subscribe to the channel. The SYMA Q20 remote-controlled helicopter is a fantastic choice for beginners and kids. Combining ease of use with durable construction, featuring an altitude hold function, this helicopter ensures stable hovering, allowing users to focus on navigation without constant throttle adjustments. The one key takeoff and landing feature simplifies operation, making it beginner-friendly. Built with a robust alloy body, the Q20 is designed to withstand impacts, ensuring longevity even after multiple crashes. Equipped with 3.5 channels and a gyro stabilizer, it delivers precise control for smooth movement in all directions. Additionally, the dual frequency option enables two helicopters to fly simultaneously without interference, adding an extra layer of fun. Compact yet powerful, this RC helicopter is perfect for indoor use, offering up to 10 minutes of flight time per charge.